Hello friends, welcome to your clip repository. It looks like the bird is flying without flapping its wings, and that's because the camera's frame rate matches the frequency of the bird's wing movements. That's one of the craziest parachute jumps I've ever seen in my life. This dog just peed on the electric fence. It looks like this corgi's primal instincts are kicking in. This seal felt so comfortable that it decided to climb up onto the boat.
Wow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Junior.
Hello, Junior.
And Junior is a Cape fur seal or an eared seal. Hi, good morning.
This machine tests students' engineering skills by simulating an earthquake to see how long their structure can withstand the shaking.
Yo, dog, is it even glued down?
They put marble at the bottom.
It's based
Shot.
Nah, thanks. Beat the game.
One shot, David.
Oh, wait.
Oh, what?
This giraffe decides to have a sniff of a mountain biker. Thank you all for watching. This is our 20th episode, and I've got to say, when I first started doing this, it was just for fun. However, lately I've noticed a lot of support from you guys, and I've never expected these videos to get so many views. It really means a lot to me. Huge thanks for all the likes, the positive comments, especially the comment from this awesome guy right here. It's always a pleasure to read all of them. Thanks a ton, and see you in the next one.